Okay, let's talk about selection tools. It's very easy. Just click some, insert some 3D object on the scene, and first loading is, I don't know why it's taking too long. Oh, that's a heaviest one. Okay, you can insert some other 3D object, and we want to select them. For example, we have a lot of 3D object, some other package. Okay, as we can see, if we want to select them, you can holding shift to multi-select. It's like other object, and the center pivot of all is at the average of their center pivots, and you can rotate them at once. Or you can go in holding your mouse here, and as you can see, we have a selection tool here. These are our navigation tools for move, rotate, and scale. And here our selection mode. As you can see, you can holding shift to add to selection or holding alt to it's not drawing. I think it's holding control to deselect, shift to select it, and you can holding control to, I think, yeah, holding shift. Yeah, in this case, it's holding shift to deselect one. Nice. But another thing is the group selection. What does it mean? As you can see, if I deselect something here, as you can see in this object, for example, we are in a scene manager. If you select the coffee cup, as you can see, we have this main body and the upper part of this lid part. Okay, if you select it, as you can see, it select all of the objects that are inside the body and the door of that. This is because of this option here, group selection. If you deactivate it, as you can see, if you select it, it selects just body of that object. So it's nice in this case that you select it. Align to the scene. It means if you select, click and select an object, it selects whole object. If you rotate it, as you can see, the this gizmo is aligned to the object, not aligned to the scene. It means if you turn it on, as you can see, it's aligned to the scene again, and you can make it going up and down directly or in a straight line. So you can change align. Q is its shortcut, and as you can see with the Q, you can, if you want to go this direction, align to the object or align to the scene, you can define. Partial marquee select. It means if you want to select all object, instead of holding shift and click on every object, you can just click and drag. This is a marquee selection. As you can see, if you turn it off, it means this box has to be exactly, the object has to be exactly inside that box. For example, look at this bottle here. As you can see, it does not select because it wasn't in this box. But if you activate the partial marquee selection, it means if this box interact a little with the object, it will be selected. Nice. It's nice. Okay, this is all about the selection tools in Dimension. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.